Okay, so right now I'm breeding Ashudora parahibana. I hope that she'll have babies. Really hoping so. Took them out of their territory to that the male will have more space to run, so that the female might not eat her. Because usually when you put them in their territory, it's very dangerous. And no disturbances should be made while they are breeding. It looks like the female is also willing to breed with the male, but because she is not striking him or anything, she is mostly willing to breed, and I think she just wants to mate. The female is about 2 years old, and the male is just a year old. So very beautiful pictures. Look at those bangs, so huge. The male is actually putting his hooks on the pants of the female so that he would not get bitten by the female. The male just doesn't want to die. Yep, he just want to fuck. Now that the hooks are inserted, I think the male's gonna go in. Gonna mate. See those embolies? Those, that part that's part of the pedipalps. It's somehow round. It's a rounder shape. He will insert those on the PEM's ventral, and that's where he will that's where he will inject the sperm. That's how tarantulas make babies, and supposedly, and hopefully, he can escape before the female eats him. Yeah, it's a cruel death. It's a very cruel world. Those are the embolies, and he is going to insert them right under here. And once it's inserted, if it inserts, and the breeding will be a success. Okay, so he seems to be still setting it up that it will not get bitten by the female while he is inserting sperm. This is my very first time breeding this species. This species is named as the pink salmon bird eater. I meant the salmon pink bird eater. They can grow up to 10 inches and is commonly the world's third most largest tarantula. Third only to the Goliath bird eater. They grow damn big. And there we go. Let's make a distance first, or I'll get beaten too. I'm actually pretty close. It's about a few inches away. And if somehow they fight each other, I'll probably get beaten if they come towards me. But I think it's safe. Just that I don't want those fangs to dig into my skin. It's very huge fangs. It's no joke. I think it's about an inch long. Yeah. If this thing bites you, it's gotta hurt. Okay, now it's going in. Look, 1,000 bodies. I'm gonna go try to insert them into the ventral. Yep. There we go. Just a little bit more. So right now we're waiting for the insertion to happen. Step. Oh. Whoa, that was fast. I don't think it was a success. So I have to breed them again some other time. That's all for today, and see you next time.